So all of your notebooks can be accessed on the file system in the workspace directory / your username. If we navigate there, let's open up a notebook, start a new notebook here. Oh, and we'll just save that real quick. So anything saved in this workspace directory will persist in between starting and stopping your Jupyter server. So we can see our hello notebook is saved here. And if we were to log out and restart Jupyter, this notebook would still be here. This is a good spot to store Git repositories as well. So if we want to clone a Git repo here, and you can see some sample notebooks are now available from within Jupyter Lab.